Today we are looking at something that genuinely feels like the future stepping into the present, and that is the EngineAI T800. This is not a concept robot, not a lab demo, and not some distant prototype. This is a full-size, high-dynamic, general-purpose humanoid robot designed to actually work in real environments. After digging deep into the specs, the design philosophy, and what this machine is capable of, it's clear that the T800 is built to disrupt what we think robots can do on a day-to-day basis. From raw power to precision movement, this thing feels less like a machine and more like a new class of worker. Before we go any further, if you're into deep dives on cutting-edge tech like advanced robotics, AI hardware, and future-facing machines, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on this video. It helps the channel a ton and keeps more reviews like this coming your way. Now let's talk about why the T800 stands out. First off, this is a full-size humanoid robot standing at 173 centimeters tall, so it's human scale, which immediately makes it more practical for environments designed around people. Warehouses, hotels, retail spaces, collaborative work floors, this robot fits naturally into those spaces. What really caught my attention is the endurance. EngineAI built a full-leg joint active cooling system into the T800, which allows it to run continuously for up to 4 hours under high-intensity workloads. That is a massive deal because most humanoid robots struggle with heat and sustained performance. Movement is where this robot really starts flexing. The T800 features 29 degrees of freedom across its body, excluding the dexterous hands on certain editions. That level of articulation allows for incredibly fluid, anthropomorphic motion. We're talking seamless transitions between walking, complex manipulation, and even high-speed martial arts-style movements. And yes, this thing can punch, kick, spin, and chain movements together with precision that honestly looks unreal. The joint torque goes all the way up to 450 Newton meters, which explains how it can deliver explosive power while staying balanced and controlled. Perception is another big win here. The T800 uses a multimodal perception system with 360-degree omnidirectional sensing, including LiDAR and depth cameras. Environmental data is processed at millisecond-level speeds, which allows for precise obstacle avoidance and smooth navigation in dynamic spaces. This isn't a robot that freezes when something unexpected happens. It's designed to adapt in real time, which is critical for real-world deployment. The build quality also deserves some attention. EngineAI went with a streamlined aesthetic wrapped around a high-strength aviation-grade aluminum alloy chassis. It's lightweight, impact-resistant, and clearly designed to survive complex and demanding environments. This robot looks powerful, and more importantly, it's built to stay powerful under pressure. Add in the modular solid-state battery architecture, and you're looking at a machine that balances performance with practicality. Depending on the battery configuration, you can get up to 4 or even 5 hours of runtime, with quick-release batteries for fast swaps. When it comes to hands and manipulation, higher-end configurations include dexterous hands with 7 degrees of freedom per hand, tactile sensing, and a payload capacity of up to 5 kilograms. That opens the door for fine grasping, tool use, and delicate handling tasks, not just brute force labor. This is where human-robot collaboration really starts to make sense. And speaking of applications, EngineAI is clearly aiming broad. Logistics, warehouses, hotel services, sales, and customer interaction, and collaborative industrial work are all on the table. The T800 isn't locked into a single role. It's a general-purpose platform designed to be adapted through software and modular hardware, which is exactly what you want if you're investing in a robot at this level. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The basic edition starts at just over $40,000. That's not cheap, but for what you're getting, a full-size humanoid robot with this level of power, perception, and endurance, it's actually aggressive pricing. Especially when you consider how early we are in the humanoid robotics space. The big takeaway here is that the EngineAI T800 feels like a turning point. It's not perfect, and the company is very clear that this technology is still evolving, but this is a serious step toward robots that can actually share our spaces and workloads. If this is where the industry is headed, things are about to get very interesting. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in robotics and future tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.